In today's video, I am going to teach you how to custom code a sign-up form for Constant Contact Squarespace. We will be taking an inline sign-up form from Constant Contact and placing it directly onto a Squarespace page using a code block. This is useful when you want more control over where your email sign-up form appears instead of relying only on built-in newsletter blocks or default form options. The process is simple, but it is important to copy the correct code and place it in the correct section of your Squarespace site. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the area called Sign Up Forms. This is where Constant Contact keeps the tools for creating forms that collect new subscribers. You may see different form options depending on your account layout, but the goal is to get to the form creation area. From there, choose Create Form. Now you are ready to choose the type of form you want to build. Since this form will be embedded directly into a Squarespace page, select Inline Form. An inline form is designed to sit inside the page content, so it works well for a section on a landing page, home page, blog page, or any other area where you want visitors to sign up. This is different from a pop-up form or a floating form because it stays exactly where you place it on the page. After selecting Inline Form, continue through the form setup until you are ready to make it available. If you are finished editing the form, click Publish. If your screen gives you the option to save and exit instead, use that option to keep your progress and leave the editor. The important part is that Constant Contact needs to generate the inline embed code for the form. That code is what allows Squarespace to display the form correctly. Once the form is published, or saved in a way that makes the code available, find the inline code snippet. This snippet is usually a block of code that Constant Contact provides specifically for embedding the form on another website. Carefully copy the entire inline code snippet. Make sure you do not leave out any part of it, because even a small missing piece can prevent the form from displaying properly. You do not need to edit the code, just copy it exactly as Constant Contact provides it. Next, move over to your Squarespace website. Navigate to the page where you want the Constant Contact sign-up form to appear. This could be an existing page, such as a home page or contact page, or a dedicated sign-up page. Once you are on the correct page, go to the specific section where the form should be placed. Take a moment to choose the location carefully, because the form will appear inside the section where you add the code. Now add a code block to that section. In Squarespace, code blocks are used when you want to insert custom code into a page. Since Constant Contact is giving you an inline code snippet, the code block is the right place to paste it. Add the block in the exact area where you want the sign-up form to show. This helps make sure the form lines up naturally with the rest of your page content. With the code block open, paste the inline code snippet that you copied from Constant Contact. Again, do not change the code unless you have a specific reason to do so. After the snippet is pasted into the block, click Save. Saving the code block applies the embedded form to that section of your Squarespace page. At this point, the Constant Contact inline sign-up form has been added to your Squarespace page using custom code. The main thing to remember is that Constant Contact creates the form and provides the inline code, while Squarespace displays that code through the code block. As long as the full snippet is copied and pasted into the correct section, the form should appear where you placed it. And that is all there is to it.